Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Hi, good afternoon, good afternoon. What up, Marcin? Eric, trading for keeps in the house. Solo, Tony. We here. Kind of playing around a little bit over here, to be honest. Just a little playing around. I don't know. Just was kind of holding the 9 the whole way here, just grinding. So I was like, yeah, I can get 5 points. And of course, just like we talked about earlier, as soon as I enter trying to get 5 points, then it wants to pull back. That's how it goes. Marcin, I haven't seen anything new on Buellanox. Let me check. Haven't heard anything. Not that they send us anything, because they don't. You just have to look. Currently, they are 45 percentiles off. They've not updated anything, so I'm going to update my code. Yeah, no real Buellanox yet. If Apex is 80, I would imagine Buellanox will go 80 as well. Just not yet. What up, iTrades? LJC? How's it going? So, yeah, we got everything set up, ready to go. Copy Traders live. And, yeah, I mean, the main thing here is going to be like, you know, we'll pull the charts over when time is right. Going to be trading on Ninja. So I got the chart set up here for the Take Profit Trader Pro. This is the one I will watch for you guys. Hey guys, does anybody know if does Take Profit Trader Pro allow you to, on the 50K, are you allowed to trade 6 minis or 5? I can't remember. Like when I place a limit order for 6, it lets me place it, but I don't remember if it's 6 or 5. Better buy Tom's OnlyFans sub. Yeah, could be. So my ATM strategy here is going to be 200 point stop loss, 200 ticks. That's really irrelevant at the end of the day. 360 ticks profit. Is that right, though? I don't think that's right. Is that right? Look at the math. I did that in my head. 90 points times 4 ticks. Is that right? Why do I feel like that's not right? That's how many ticks is in a point? Why am I so confused? Yeah, 20 ticks is 5 points. So it's 4 ticks in a point. Yeah, it should be 360 ticks. Had a rough day, unpaid yourself for the third time. Dave, that sucks. Sucks, Nathaniel. So 360 ticks times, that's 90 points times 5 minis. That should be $9,000 if it hits. Obviously, I got a trail stop on as well. So at 10 points in profit, because here's the idea. At 10 points in profit, we're going to go break even. And then at 10 points in profit, it's going to start trailing. So 10 points behind. The idea with that is, the idea there is, if it tags us in, we want it to just continue to boner. We don't want it to stall, because like if it stalls, it's probably going to wick. And if it wicks, we don't want to be in it. So if it does come back and stop us out, we're at least break even. So. Oh, went for a walk, had dinner. Still not moving. Yeah. That's pretty much what we're going to be waiting on. I'm in this long here, but I'm pretty much waiting on Nvidia earnings myself. Waiting on the earnings. So yeah, we'll see kind of what power, like if we stay in this level, if we stay like here in this range, then I expect that 420 level to be taken on earnings 100%. So I'd probably position myself just above the highs. 380, 420 will give you a nice 40-point spread. But we'll see. We'll get our orders and stuff out right after the close, and kind of just be waiting. We'll be waiting. I think it's 420, Rob. Not 100% sure, but I think it's 420. I think it's 420. Is it 406? It could rip lower too. That's the thing. Like it could go lower. You've been short for 45 minutes. Woof. 371. Well, it's finally starting to push down for you. Finally starting to push down. So yeah, we're full porting 5 Buleys, some Apex. I was gonna do Lucid, but unfortunately, Lucid, I forgot it had a consistency rule on the Flex account. So we have 525K flexes, and we're already up $300 something. So you went to sleep. So we'll see kind of what happens here. Let's get some music going. What kind of music? Yeah, let's go with this. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. Gotta turn up the volume a little bit. Cash.
Now you know and I know I done bump every hole in the wall, y'all.
Home slice came in his... I can't do it. I can't be singing on the stream. What's wrong with me? I'll tell you what, guys. We will start a giveaway. And if we win our Nvidia play, we will do the giveaway. If we lose our Nvidia play, we ain't doing nothing. How about that? And we'll make it a really good account if we win. We'll call it a 150K Take Profit Trader account. If we win. If we lose, you ain't getting nada. Nada. At least not today. Let me put that in the description. You got to put that in there, you know? Stopped out. All right, there we go. If it wins, decent accounts. If it loses, garbage. Nothing. Should I try to pass my... Well, no, we won't even be able to trade that. Trade for keeps, I think, 420. I think. I already have the copy traders all set up. I just got to place the orders, and we're ready to go. We are all set up. Oh, you're all nervous? Nah. They're after close. We're just going to sit here through the power hour and get antsy before the stuff comes out. What up, Tech T? Let's go. So yeah, it'll be a really nice evening. If we can win this trade, because we'll pass 10 evals or so and get a nice daily payout from Take Profit Trader, or we fail 10 evals and we blow a brand new Take Profit Trader 50K. Oh. I don't know. Oh, yeah, they halted the metals. Looks like they're moving again. So, no, trade for coops. We're full porting. I've already accepted. If this account blows, I've already accepted it. So, yeah, we've accepted it, so we're good to go. I'm going to send Lucid a message and see if they'll give me some accounts to give away. Doesn't hurt to ask. Let's see. I wonder if they have given me an account. Let me ask. All right. I'm going to message them and see if we can get some free accounts. It doesn't help me. All right, here we go. Just Marshall. We're going to see here. All right, we sent them a message. Let's see what they say. Just give us 10 free accounts to give away. Perfect. That'd be nice. How'd everybody end up today? Green, red? What do you think? I think most people think that Nvidia is going to push the market up. I don't really know. I mean, like, because the thing is, like, you would think that, right? But I don't want to only play the long side and then it dumps. You know what I mean? Miss K, what up? Miss K, it just killed me today when you didn't get that free account. You got to pick a better time to take a dump next time. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Unless you were doing it. What do we do today? We got a few sells on Lucid today. Not too bad. Not too bad. You have a stiff hurting neck and did not do so well on 3 of your evals. Man. Coper, what'd you do to your neck? Coper, you're in there probably. For whatever reasons today, Streamlabs has not been giving the notification. It's doing it on Cove Stream as well. So it's not giving the notifications, but it is putting you in there. Trader's fatigue. She was there the whole time. Stepped out a minute. Yeah, Meddy. That sucks. I mean, I wish they give a little more time. I understand why they don't, but you still have the micro shorts? Woo, you're brave. Ugh. This thing is not going anywhere. I feel like this is probably where we're going to end up at today. 350s. I'm okay with that because, like, it kind of gives you, like, a key draw, right? I mean, hell, maybe probably 460s, to be honest. To the upside. I mean, if we end up here, I might be super risky and place my order. Might be like 380. It'd be very close to price. Normally, I'd go 20 or 30 points away. Like 400. Bitch, someone's always going through a person's. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Exclamation point MM to enter the giveaway. Again, as it says there, be 150K TPT evaluation, or if the trade loses, not a damn thing. So it's up to you guys to give me the proper advice for the Nvidia trade. You got to give me the proper advice on which way and where and all that. So we'll see kind of what happens here. We're just going to wait, and I might take a couple of 20-point scalps with a micro, 20-tick scalps with a micro. I believe. Yeah, Kev, it's not going anywhere. We're up $65 on this account. Not much today, but Michelle, how's it going? So 70% thinks it's going to the moon. Well, there you go. Do I try a little bounce play here? I might. I'm going to try a little bounce play here. Why not? Squeeze it. I mean, it's the first touch of the 21 EMA on the 5-minute in quite a while. Maxie, what are we doing over there? Max is barking at something. Certainly more than one bark, so I do think that's a long signal. Max, are you saying long? What are you saying? Maxie, come here. See if he'll come over here. Probably not. Maxie. He's paying me no attention. Come here, bud. He looked at me like, what do you think you're talking to, bro? The ATR is 6 points right now on the 2-minute. Six points. That dump candle is 11 points. Double the ATR. Get up there! Man, it's hard to even get 5 points. 20 ticks. Gold back to this ledge. VWAP. VWAPI. Nice little bounce there. Put us up $73.50. We got a haircut this afternoon, guys. Got us a haircut finally. All nice and clean. She did booger up my beard a little bit. I had to tidy it up a little bit myself when I got home. I should have probably just came on at like 3:45 because like this thing's not going to move very much. We know that. Oh, I forgot I was on chat. It's saying that the team actively monitors affiliate activity and will reach out to you directly if they plan to coordinate a giveaway. Come on, bro. Waiting on the earnings, waiting on the earnings. It's testing my patience. Oh, that's the wrong one. Ripper. It's going now. Hopefully we get some accounts passed on the Nvidia. That'd be nice. So Apex is 80% off. Did they extend the activation fee? Does anybody know? Let me see. I didn't get anything saying that they did. It doesn't even say 80% off on their website. Silver dumping hard. What about gold? Created a new ledge here. Little micro bounce there. Hmm. All right, we got 30 minutes left in the market, left in the day. Look at that flash dump. Do I go for a little dip by here? Dangeroso. I was kind of wanting to buy here, but probably would make more sense to do it kind of like 355. I'm completely okay with this pullback. I'd like for it to kind of just stay in this range, maybe a little lower going into the close. Make it really a little bit easier to choose where to put your orders. All right, we're in here, the last kind of support area. This is the last area we consolidated for a little bit. See if we get just a little teeny reaction off of it. The teeniest of reactions, that's all we need. Come on, get up there. Lego, Lego, Lego. If Nvidia is gonna rip us up hard, I could see us just sell into the news. Could be trading for keeps. Like, and here's the thing, like that's what I'm saying, like, I don't mind. Like, if I'm looking to see where liquidity rests, I mean, we got a lot of trend line here coming down on the way up. A lot of grinding, a lot of touches. So, like, I could also see us rip down into the twos in the close. But who knows? So Maybe a little liquidity grab there on a little pullback. Long at 5G on the 1 minute. I don't know. I mean, we didn't really have very much displacement down there. If there's an IFVG there, it's got to be super small. Oh, yeah. I mean, that's not very clean. Do I buy a pro account? How much is the pro account for my funny futures? I'm thinking I might buy a pro account, but man, if it's expensive, I'm probably not going to do it. Because that's the only one that's 1 day to pass, unfortunately. So the Pro 50K. Let me see how much it is. How come I can't? So are you telling me that I can't use someone's code? Yeah, that's $181. That's kind of a lot for the 1 day to pass. Oh, ready for 420? I am, Raul. We're ready. We're ready. We're locked and loaded, ready to go. Got the copy traders set up. So as of right now, I'd probably go like... So like if I'm looking for the move lower, I'm probably looking for just it to run to here. So I'd probably put the order here at like 330. $320 for a run back through this here. And then to the upside, I'll probably will play like 390. 390 gives you room to 460. That's what I'm thinking. Might adjust that a little bit, just depending upon where we're at close. Funny thing is, after close, I wouldn't be surprised if the ATR shoots up to 20 or 30 and we start moving around quite a bit. I don't know. So yeah, we'll kind of see what happens. If you guys haven't already hit the like button, we got 72 viewers, 31 likes. Also, if you are new here, please hit subscribe. We're going to wait to the 9100 level. Excuse me, on the subscriptions. I never get lucky, or I never get the win on these news plays. Almost never. So it sure would be nice to actually hit one for once. You know what I mean? It would be nice. I guess Mancini already posted his newsletter because let's post the newsletter. Inverse my plan for the day. That's what I'm hoping. It'd be nice, right? The low last night. Let's see, make sure. All right. Got the newsletter posted. So if you guys are wanting to check out the newsletter, it's already in there. Hit the like button. Do better. I don't like this push up. I mean, come on. That's kind of annoying. I'd rather it not push up right now. All right, making new highs. You can hedge the like with the like button, subscribe button. That's right. It's not against the rules. No. Is stopping out all these 100-lot sellers. 901 Racer. Could be. We only got like 15 people in the giveaway. You guys must not have much faith in my trade. As I said, if the trade doesn't win, I'm not doing the giveaway. We got 16 people in the giveaway. Hey. You got no faith in my trade. No faith in the ability to win. I mean, you're probably right. You're probably not wrong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my orders on and just going to lay my head on the desk and just, wherever happens. I actually can't do that because I don't know if the orders are going to actually OCO. I don't know if they'll OCO. All right, got a little bit of time. Boom, 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 boom. All right. I'm just waiting, guys. Not much to do here. Guys, where do you sign forms at on Lucid? I don't remember. Do they have, let me see here. R Trader Pro. I think it's R Trader Pro. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where you signed the forms at. I thought it was in oh wait. ES is pushing now. Nasdaq starting to squeeze. I mean, I really prefer not to. Kind of prefer this not to go here, but that's all right. It aight. MOC here's in about 30 minute and 30 seconds. Do you guys think this runs 393 on MOC? Do I go for that? Do we go for it? I think it will. This is risky. This is risky. This is risky. Risky. For 1950, I don't know if it takes us there. Maybe though, it might. Let me look for 5 points. You're long now. Let's go. There we go. Went down first, but good thing I didn't have a stop on. Anything can happen. Yes is just ripping there. All right, we're up $165 now on this account. All right. Sent them a message. We'll see if we get anything back. NQ almost at 420 and Nvidia is released at 420. And you're hitting the bong at 420. 420, 420, 420. Yeah, I don't really like where we're at, Pine. I'm a little bit annoyed. I wish that we would have just moved down more. I would have preferred that. It gets more tricky up here. I mean, like, listen, could it run into the fives? For sure. For sure it could. But I feel much more comfortable longing down here in 330s into the 460s. Or, you know, price being down here to 330. So I really would like for us to kind of get down in here for the close. Give us some room. Give us some room to the upside there. Maybe that's what it'll do. So yeah, I don't really know how I'm going to play this yet. Pine Tree, are you playing any accounts on the Nvidia? You playing anything? I mean, to be honest, levels don't really matter on the earnings anyway. It's going to go and do whatever it wants to do at the end of the day anyway, right? We got 5 minutes left in the day, and then the nervousness begins. Woo, we're nervous. We're risking so much money on the Nvidia. Not really, but still, we don't want to lose. We don't want to lose. What do you guys think? Long only, or do you think long and short? I don't know, man. Do we not bracket? Do we bracket? I'm not sure. I mean, if we get like a 200-point move, it should be enough to take us home no matter which way it goes. If we're 50 points away from price and it goes 150, then we're still good. As long as it just goes directly. As long as it's a direct movement. Dun, 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 dun. Mystic Rick says he's muted. All right, he muted Mystic Rick. Let me go in here and see. Oh. So Cove is saying that there's several companies that are going to be reporting today. Let me look and see if he is blocked. Community. Where do I go? I don't remember. I think this is where blocked words. I don't see any blocked users. I'm trying to. Hidden users. I mean, I have nobody blocked on my channel, Mr. Rick. I mean, I literally don't have anybody. See, you're right there. Are you saying it's on a different account, Mr. Rick? Or is it on this account? It's like I have no hidden users. So I'm telling you, like, I don't block anybody. I mean, look at hidden users. Nobody. I don't see. I have no idea. There's no blocked users, though. All right, guys, let's get situated here. Hold on one second. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up here. Where's my other chart at? I did trade MOC. We made some money. We made $100. All right, we're past 4 o'clock now. How late can you trade my Fund Futures Rapid? Like 4:10? Oh, that's weird. That's weird, Mont Daily. I don't know. Okay. I'm going to move this over here because it's got my levels on it. Okay. I mean, to the downside, I'm probably looking like 350. Actually, I'll probably go 335 to the downside. The upside's really kind of where it gets tricky. What up, Business Lens? I mean, I do think to the upside, like on these accounts, I could even go. So I don't need much on these. I don't know. We're going to see what happens. I'm not sure. She's pushing already. Yeah, GC's pushing lower. Oh, 15 minutes. Yeah. Long reported. Maybe. We need like 23 points or something on these to pass them all. Not much. There we go. OCO. TPT long will be up here. Just out of the way for now. I really don't want it to push here, but get these out of the way. I still think my plan is to go like 350 area on the short. Yes, although it did. The long is where it's really tricky. It's really tricky. I mean, I got to go far enough away from price. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Blackout News. We're waiting on Nvidia. Right now, my short order is going to be around 340, 350 area. And then my long Unfortunately, it's going to have to go at like 420. So, we got about 15 evals and then one funded. The one on the right is the funded account. I don't have it on the copier. I did that purposely just in case there's any shenanigans. Let me make sure I'm on the right account, though. Yep, we are on the pro account. Okay, good. It's more expensive if I pass? No, it's not. Because if we pass, theoretically, we should get a daily payout from Take Profit Trader 2. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. 10 more minutes. All right. Let's get comfy here. Whew. Sheesh. Yeah, SK, this is just, they always report at 420, as far as I know. Boom, ba boom, boom, boom. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. If you want to enter the giveaway, if our trade wins, we're going to give away a 150K Take Profit Trader account. If it does not win, nada. So let's see what happens. That's all we can do. It either works or it doesn't. If it fails, we just rage quit the stream and we're out of here. We rage quit and we're out of here. Just kidding. If it loses, realistically, we're out a couple $100. It's not a big deal. So, I think I have about $200 in evals on the line. What you don't want to happen is get tagged in before the news actually comes out. That would be disastrous. The only thing I don't like about Ninja is like the OCO doesn't always work. So, Alpha, I have the orders on the chart, but I'm going to move them. So for the short, probably looking at like 335 area for the short. And then for the long, unfortunately, it's probably going to have to be like 420. The long is going to be very close. So hopefully it doesn't wick up, tag us in, and then rip lower. But that's a risk we're going to have to take, I guess. I mean, I guess the long theoretically could push all the way up into the 515s. Which, if you got long at 430... 515s would still be fine. So, yeah, I'll probably go long 430. Long maybe 430. I'll play it a little bit safer. They are OCO'd business lens, but for whatever reason, even on my opening range trade, it doesn't sometimes work. I don't know why. All right, we got about 5 minutes. So exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Dun 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 dun. The thing is, though, I don't really want to be tagged into the short. I may go a little bit lower on the short here. Maybe like 325. Yeah. Because I don't really want to be tagged into the short just in, you know, on a wick down if it does kind of bull up out of the blue. And then upside, I don't mind. Like, I think there's a little more room to the... There's room downside, too, don't get me wrong. But that's why I'm thinking that the downside could run a lot further. I think there's more room to the downside than there is the upside. We got 3.5 minutes. You can probably go 450 to the upside on the evals. I'm thinking maybe like... I'm going to go 445. All right, this is how I'm doing it. Let's see. I... All right, I'm going to go 413.50 to the downside. If these orders don't OCO, I got to be ready to click them off. All right, here we go, guys. 40 seconds. All right, guys. Good luck to us. Good luck. Good luck. 15 seconds. A delayed fuse. Uh-oh. Nothing. I don't think so. Already built in. I don't think so. Water fasting. Is it a dud? I don't know. Well, that's interesting, guys. Nothing. At one point, do we just exit out and call it? I don't know. Well, just wait, it'll come. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know. It's crazy. I don't know what's taking so long here. What are you thinking, John? Are you thinking up? You thinking down? I'm leaning up too, but there is a lot of room down. A lot of room to the downside. I want to move my entry on the long up or down a little bit to 425. Kind of want to move it to 425. Oh, Alpha, did it come out? Hmm. It ran that 420 level. Look at it wick into it. It wicked into the 420. That's wild, guys. That's very disappointing. All right, I'm canceling it, guys. I am canceling it. It didn't do anything, guys. It literally didn't move. Like, what do you do there? I mean, it ran the 420 level. That's all it did. 36 points. That's wild. That is very, very wild. Yeah, there's a conference, but there's always a conference, though, Alpha. Like, it should. It typically, you get movement, typically. But that's wild. Very disappointing there. I hear him trading for keeps. I'm listening to him. I don't know why it didn't do anything. It's weird. I have no idea. It's strange. Very, very strange. Yeah, just nothing. Well, guys, I'm going to call it there. I mean, it didn't do anything. I mean, what do you want me to do? Didn't do anything. So we're just going to call it. We bought these accounts to pass. We will just have to send them at open. We might do some sort of full port on the Take Profit Trader Pro account, maybe on the opening range play, or I may just trade it normal. So let's just do that. So, but that being said, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll be back this evening for the evening session. So see you guys somewhere between 7 and 8 p.m.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
Order submitted.